everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. So as you guys may have noticed, I did cut my hair short. This is the shortest I've ever cut my hair. In middle school, I had like a mullet that was like shoulder length. But for most of my life, I had medium to long hair. And this was quite a change from getting used to seeing myself with short hair, also learning how to style it because it's a whole different beast. My hair isn't pinned straight, so when it dries, it's slightly wavy, and that causes my hair to like flip out in different directions. Like the back of my hair will flip outwards, and then near my face, it'll flip inwards. So I do prefer when my hair is styled, especially if I'm going out. And the way that I've been styling it now is to curl it inwards. And the tool that I've been using is this bad boy right here. This is the Zavarea Rose Gold Tourmaline Ceramic Heated Round Brush, and I got it in this pretty lavender color. If you click the link in my description box, you can save on this heated round brush. They did send this to me to review, but honestly, I've been loving this product. Not just the pretty color, since it does suit my aesthetic. I love purple, but the results that it gives me, even my mom loves it, and she's a hairstylist, so that says something. Like when I first showed her this round brush, she was like, "Can you get me one?" The tourmaline ceramic really smooths my hair. My hair is very prone to like frizz, and I do have a lot of baby hairs that tend to stick up, but this helps to really smooth out my ends. There's a 2-in-1 heat system, so this barrel will heat up, and there's also a fan, so it gives you even heat distribution, which in turn should be less damaging for your hair, and the 2-in-1 heat system allows for your style to last. This heats up super quickly. I'll just turn it on, and then I will brush my hair, section it, and it'll be ready to use. There's automatic safety shut off in 60 minutes. So if you ever do accidentally leave this plugged in and forget about it, it'll automatically shut off and reduce the risk of a fire or damage to your home, which, you know, you should be remembering to unplug your heat tools, but I'm glad that there's a feature in this just in case. This heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can either use it without the fan or with the fan. You just click the button for 2 seconds. This is the box that the round brush comes in, and they also give you some accessories. You get 2 hair clips to section your hair. You get like a mini rake thing to clean out your round brush. When it builds up in there, it gets really gross, and I've been needing a tool like this. They also give you a thermal glove, which I really enjoy because I do like holding the barrel itself to really get like a nice curl. But if you don't like using a glove, because sometimes I know it's hard to like feel things, there is a cool tip right here, so you can safely place your finger there and help you with your styling. It also comes with a pouch to carry your heat brush, like if you're traveling, for example, and you want to bring it. And you'll know that you can have killer hairstyles even when you're traveling. I also like that there's a 360-degree swivel. I feel like sometimes the wire gets in my way, like when I'm like going behind like this. So this swivel is a really nice touch. So this is an ionic generator. It's supposed to be a negative ion emission port, and it's supposed to help with heat distribution and neutralize frizz for smooth, high shine styles. So let's get to styling my hair. Here I'm choosing the temperature by clicking the power button. Once you hear the fan start running, that means it's ready to use. You can also turn off the air circulation by clicking the fan button for 2 seconds. Feel free to use a heat protectant or whatever before heat styling. This is what my hair looks like unstyled. As you can see, my ends are flipping out. My hair is a bit layered, so it doesn't dry completely straight. I like to clip up the top half of my hair and to use the glove because I do like holding the barrel itself to really guide the round brush and create that nice curl. I curl the barrel inwards, especially towards the ends, so that it's curling towards my face. The back is a little stubborn, so I'll run the round brush through that multiple times. And here is the finished result. So that is it for my review of the Zavarea Heated Round Brush. I hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial of how I style my hair. It's been a learning curve for sure because I've never had short hair in my life. Having short hair is actually a lot more maintenance than I expected. Like you have to get it cut more often because it grows out so fast, and there's always like an awkward stage, especially when it starts hitting your shoulders. So yeah, there's that. But for now, I'm really enjoying having short hair. I think it does suit me, but I also miss my long hair sometimes. If you have short hair, let me know any tips and tricks on how you style your hair, or if you're thinking about getting short hair. Thank you, Zavarea, for collaborating with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!